Water utilities have to manage thousands of work orders every year. These orders are either planned to repair breaks and leaks, or to solve any issues detected in operations, or are a part of preventative asset maintenance plans. The GoAigua work orders solution provides utilities and field technicians with a useful tool to deal with incidents that arise on a day-to-day basis. It delivers an integrated environment with up-to-date information on fault reports and work performed, as well as the status of orders in progress and those that are still pending. This GoAigua tool means that work orders can be created manually and automatically through an integration with different data sources, such as other GoAigua solutions, third-party systems, and external applications. For example, those used by government or public services. Thanks to its mobile version, field technicians can receive customized work orders on site and send information in real time about order handling, changes, and priority levels. This makes it easier to reschedule them when necessary. GoAigua Work Orders is an essential tool for cross-cutting centralized management of work orders in water utilities.